Patumi pai ni phai hiniar ni Diphu Matipung Boakata Samabai Samiti Lapen Center Denkimo Apamalongan Ministry of Handloom and Textile Asai Kamasai Photum Nangka Homri Bangswa Sayalong Ministry of Handloom and Textile Director Bodo Lapen Officer Jayanta Singatum Diphu Matipung Boakata Samabai Samiti Lapen Center Denkimo Apamalongan Nang Homri lo Alang lituma phan Matipung Boakata Samabay Samitia Hempi Sangpi Sabina Teron Pipensi Dengponlo Labangso Society Arlo Kiphir Kethak Kibu Keleng Kacharli Anparta Self-Help Group Atung Anaphan Alang lituma Hinpen Bidi Sore Pitekang Anparta Government Pen Abar Saikelong Jia Bidi He Hui Setami Than Pachini Tekang Labangso along Handloom and Textile along Inspector Bimola Hansepi Instructor Mate Kithana Bangphu Mukrang Beket Computer Assistant Rajesh Rongbongkro Photographer Mate Mohor Kene Babangphu Harmony Be Jodson Be Lapen Designer Maluti Kropi Lapen Kaprek Kaprekatum Chetong Dun News Report Karbianglong Live